Hi guys, it's Sandy, and today Minnie will be showing you how she creates her DIY nail polishes at home. A lot of you guys have been asking how she does it, so here's the process. We hope you enjoy!
Hello, it's Minnie. Before we start, please subscribe to CutePolish for new videos every week. First, I'm going to make a solid color nail polish. I will need an empty nail polish bottle with 2 mixing bowls, a lacquer base, colors called tinters, and some syringes. To keep your hands clean, it is recommended to wear disposable gloves. I'm going to fill half of the 12ml bottle with a lacquer base. Pull the pump of the syringe to the 6ml line. Pump the air into the lacquer base bottle so that the liquid will come out easily. Once again, pull the pump to the 6ml line. Pump about half into the polish bottle. I will keep the other half for later. Keep the cap on to prevent the polish from drying. I'm going to add 4ml of white tinter. This time you can put everything into the bottle. To create a mint color, I'm gonna need blue and yellow tinters. Add 1ml of blue and a very small amount of yellow. Seal the cap tightly and then shake the mix. The colors started to mix and it's already looking good. I'm going to add the rest of the lacquer base and shake again. Keep shaking for about 3 minutes and that's it, a brand new nail polish. Next, I'm going to make a glitter polish. I'm going to use this holographic silver glitter. Pour into an empty polish bottle until it covers the mixing bowls. This time, I'm going to use a lacquer base with silica. I will use about 5ml. Pump into the bottle and give it a shake. A super easy glitter polish is complete. Now I'm going to try the 2 polishes I just made. It's still a little bit bubbly, but I like how it's opaque and easy to apply. Let's try the glitter polish. I have applied a peel-off base coat for an easy removal. You can add more glitters by using a makeup sponge. I really like these polishes, and if you're interested in creating your own nail polishes, try googling DIY nail polish or Franken Polish supplies to find a store that ships to you. I hope this video was helpful. If you like to watch more DIY videos, click the info card button on the top. Thank you for watching.